What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play She's Too Special by Juice-wrld. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double suplex your grandma off the top turnbuckle. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it does have one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams or the guitar tab, you can find both of them in the video description. The guitar chord diagrams are in the free ebook that's in the video description, and there will be a link to the guitar tab there as well. So if you need either of them, jump into the video description once you get done. They're there for you. We're gonna start with an E minor chord. You're gonna put your middle finger on the second fret of the A string and your ring finger on the second fret of the D string. And here we're picking open E, D, G. Next chord is a G. Now the only thing we're going to use here is our middle finger on the third fret of the low E string, because all we're picking from here is the same exact strings. E, D, G. So next chord is going to be a D, and we're going to put our index finger on the third fret of the G string and our ring finger on the, or index finger on the second fret of the G, ring finger on the third fret of the B string, and we're going to pick D, G, B. And then finally we need an A chord. All we're going to do here is use our index finger to bar the D string and the G string, and we're going to pick A, D, G, and that's on the second fret. So D and G on the second fret, and we're picking A, D, G. So all together very slowly, it looks like. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. My Instagram and all my other socials is @BillySchultzMusic. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.